So add ideas and copy. So let's get ChatGPT to help us create multiple ad ideas and copy intended for our target audience. We're going to go and check out one of these prompts right here. And you have the prompt right here. ChatGPT is the most overworked, underpaid staff that doesn't have slowdown. It does not have a slowdown. Okay, so marketing. The activity, set of institutions and processes for creating, communicating, delivering, and exchanging offerings that have value for customers, clients, partners, and society at large. Moving into a new subject, right? Here's how I define marketing in my book. The forming of a brand or a person's superpower, followed by the development and execution of a strategy for the dissemination and distribution of that brand or superpower, which in turn leads to capture attention and thus the inevitable expansion of one's purpose, right? That's my definition of marketing. So to become a master of marketing, you need to be skilled in a few areas: branding, research, copywriting, content creation, email marketing, PR, sales, learning agility, your ability to learn. Let's explore how to use AI to help us master these other skills. Who wants to be good at marketing? So add ideas and copy. So an ad is a short message designed to promote a product, service, or idea or a target audience. Their sole purpose is to inform, persuade, or remind people about something. The elements of effective ad copy: attention grabbing, relatable to your target audience, benefit focused, includes a clear call to action. So let's get ChatGPT to help us create multiple ad ideas and copy intended for our target audience. We're going to go and check out one of these prompts right here. And you have the prompt right here. And it says, use this prompt to create variations of effective ad ideas and copy for a product or service, including images or video descriptions and engaging hooks. How do you get that attention from people, right? How do you get them to watch, even though they've never seen you before? To customize this prompt, edit the bracketed portions of the text below, copy and paste the entire prompt to ChatGPT. So we're going to look at this example right here. And if you have lived in the marketing game 10% of the time that I've lived on it, you'll know that this process of creating ad variations, it takes time. Just the fact that I can use this as inspiration, the fact that it can save me 10, 20 times, I can move 10, 20 times faster. I gave information that you guys can go and customize for yourself. We're putting a smart meal planner. It's an AI-driven meal planning service tailored for busy professionals. It offers personalized weekly meal plans based on dietary preferences, health goals, and integrates with local grocery delivery services, including a comprehensive app for nutritional tracking and expert consultations. So target audience, urban professionals, age 25 to 40, ideal for health-conscious urban professionals who value efficiency and technology. They seek practical solutions for maintaining a balanced diet amidst their busy schedules and are active in digital trends. So description of the image or the video, right? A split-screen video showing a busy professional juggling work. Transition to them effortlessly using the Smart Meal Planner app, followed by a montage of delicious meals being delivered. So ad copy. Feeling overwhelmed by your busy schedule? Meet Smart Meal Planner, your personalized AI-driven meal planning assistant. Get personalized weekly meal plans that fit your dietary preferences and health goals. Say goodbye to meal stress and hello to convenience. Start your journey to a healthier lifestyle today. Download now and get your first week free. Call to action, download Smart Meal Planner now and transform your meals. Who thinks this is pretty darn impressive that it's doing that, right? It's pretty cool. Again, I still highly recommend that you humanize this with your own mind, so it feels more like it's you, right? It's like you and your mind coming up with that concept. That is a great headline. Your personal chef right in your pocket. I like it. Look at this one. Simplify your life one meal at a time. Eat smarter, live better. Great. Revolutionize your meal planning. Okay, good. Healthy eating made effortless. Your AI meal planning assistant. Taking advantage of an AI wave. So you leverage the fact that people are so into AI right now, you are able to generate a lot more attention. From chaos to culinary bliss. Wow. Tailored nutrition at your fingertips. Okay, good. So we got that.